normal people in Israel don't study Yiddish. I mean, they're normal people. Now there's a big change. You see here at AGS, lots of Israeli Yiddishists. Very interesting. But suddenly I see this group of young American undergrads from the best universities, and they don't find Yiddish eccentric. They don't find Yiddish something that you need to be ashamed of, or you need to you're studying Yiddish. They're cool, and they're studying Yiddish. And there were graduate students also of American and German and Polish, from der ganzen Welt, also Israelis. I felt very, very much that now I have an academic community. Also, it was a big, everyone was very generous. People had meals, dinners together. We went to shul, the Vilnius shul. We had parties, we went dancing, we went drinking, all in Yiddish, and it was very, very liberating.